Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about theoretical literature review, how to write this part. Alright, this part basically we write under chapter 2, which is literature review. In broader perspective, this chapter is divided into two parts. One is called empirical review, another is called theoretical review. Now, when we do theoretical review or we want to write up this part, theoretical literature review, there is a common misunderstanding sometimes. Sometimes we don't know what to write and sometimes we don't know how to write. Alright, usually what I have found, a lot of people, researchers, they write only about the theories and that's all. And they forgot to link how this particular theory or model is linked with their research. Alright, so research is something that you need to create logic, provide rationales and justify. Remember, so what? That means whatever you write, mind it, you are answering the questions, so what? Now, please take note. When you write theoretical literature review, basically we need to answer three questions. Question number one, what? That means what is all about this theory or this model that you are using for your research? Yes, this part, no problem. Many people, they have come up with the theory, explanation of the theories or models, and that's all. They put a big full stop there. And examiners also, they become very fussy and they feel like this is not complete. Of course, this is not complete because explaining about theories, we can go to Google and we can take a look, but why you are copying and rephrasing or paraphrasing that particular theory to your research? Okay, this is what understood. We need to explain about that particular theory or model. How about next question? Next question is very important, is why? That means why you are using this particular theory to your research. You are considering this research, this theory to your research means, of course, you need to create a logic why you are considering this particular or this specific theory to your model, to your research. You can write about a couple of paragraphs explaining why you are using this theory. The last question is how. That means how this theory will be contributing to your research in terms of theoretical perspective, in terms of a little bit of practical perspective as well. So this is a little confusing. Many people, they don't know why and how, these two parts. The first question is what? Yes, researchers, learners, beginners, they come up with this. Why? Sometime I can see, yes, some of my students, they come up with some of the logics and rationales and they try to justify why they are using this theory. But how? Yes, this part I would say is missing part. Many people, they don't know. But remember, an examiner will be keeping an eye on this part, how this theory will contribute to your research. At the same time, how theoretical contributions will be enhanced through this theory. Alright, so I would say that's all for now about theoretical literature review. But remember this, that's not everything. I would like to request those who are researchers, please go to internet, try to find out how to write a good theoretical literature review. Thank you so much.